Unique function is one of the amazing functions that we have in Excel. But there is one big problem with the unique function. And that problem is it cannot get unique values from multiple non-continuous ranges. Now, in this video, we're going to solve that problem. So make sure to watch, and now let's get started. All right, so here I have 5 different ranges with 5 names in each range. Now, my whole idea here is to have unique names from these 5 ranges. But the problem is when I use unique function, I can only refer to a single continuous range. I cannot refer to multiple ranges which are non-continuous. Now, to solve this problem, the best way is to use a specific function along with the unique function. And that specific function is VSTACK. Now, when I use VSTACK, it allows me to refer to multiple ranges one by one. And let me just select all of these one by one. So you can see I have 5 ranges. And when I hit enter, I get all the values from those 5 ranges, or the ranges that I have referred in my function. I get all the values in a single column. Now, to get unique values from this range is way easier than getting all these unique values from these 5 different ranges. Now, what I'll do, I'll simply enter the unique function here and refer to the array that I have got from the VSTACK, and then return every distinct item. And let me just close my function. And here I have total 14 names out of 25 which are unique without duplicates. So let me just copy this VSTACK from here and paste it here. And my formula is ready. So the idea is to use VSTACK along with the unique function to get unique values from multiple ranges.